Hi, now we are going to discuss about facets and importance of maintenance. Facets of maintenance. During construction, the defects that may seem minor will have serious consequences. The following 3 points require knowledge of what is improper at a site or construction, about the various ways of deterioration, and about their causes, proper materials, proper details, and proper construction. But these are some general considerations that should be taken into account for both the construction of new concrete structures and the repair of deteriorated structures. The two facets of maintenance is prevention and repair. Okay, in facets of maintenance, the prevention and repair are very two important facets of maintenance. Right? Importance of maintenance. Maintenance is a continuous cycle, involves every element of building science, namely structural, electrical, wiring, plumbing, water supply, sanitation, finishes on floors and walls, roof terrace, service platform, lifts, doors, windows, and other elements. Importance. The following are the importance of maintenance, very important points. Number one, it improves the life of the structures. Improved life period gives better return on investment, better appearance, and aesthetically appealing, better serviceability of elements and components. It leads to quicker detection of defects and hence remedial measures, ensures safety to occupants, and ensures feeling of confidence on the user. Next one is repair. Repair is the action that improves or replaces the functionality of a member of the structure. The member is deteriorated, faulty materials are damaged due to any reason such as earthquake, cyclone, flood, fire, explosive, corrosion, cracking, etc. The action may not be intended to regain the original strength of the member completely. Next, rehabilitation. What is meant by rehabilitation? Rehabilitation is the action that improves the strength of a structure or a member which is deteriorated or damaged due to various reasons. Rehabilitation includes the process of repairing or modifying a structure to desired useful condition. The action is intended to regain the original strength of the structure or a member. It is called rehabilitation. Next, restoration. The process of re-establishing the appearance of a structure to that particular time period of a structure by various methods is known as a restoration. Restoration is the action that improves the strength and appearance of a structure. It may include repair for deterioration or damaged structure. The term is used mostly for historical structures, important structures. Okay. Thank you.